The parasitic dodder plant increases its reproductive success by flowering at the same time as the host plant it has latched onto. In 2020, Jianqiang Wu and his colleagues determined that the tiny dodder achieves this blank with its host by absorbing and utilizing a protein the host produces when it is about to flower. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? A. Synchronization. B. Hibernation. C. Prediction. D. Moderation.
So in question number 4, we are talking about the parasitic dodder plant, which increases its reproductive success. So how does it do that? It will flower at the same time as the host plant. First of all, this dodder plant, it's a parasitic plant and it needs a host. So to increase its reproductive success, it is trying to flower at the same time as the host. And there is the scientist 2020 Jianqiang Wu and his colleagues. They determined that the tiny dodder achieves this. How does it achieve? Blank with its host by absorbing and utilizing a protein the host produces when it's about to flower. So the host is flowering and at that time it produces a protein. So the tiny dodder plant blank this. How does it achieve? So since it's a parasitic plant, it has to synchronize or happen at the same time as the host plant. So choice A is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of a relationship between the dodder plant and its host plant. As used in this context, synchronization means the act of things happening at the same time. The text indicates that the dodder and its host plant flower in unison and that this synchronization occurs because the dodder makes use of a protein produced by the host shortly before flowering. So it will use the same protein and flower at the same time.
Choice B is incorrect because referring to hibernation, or the state of being dormant or inactive, wouldn't make sense in context. The text focuses on something the dodder plant actively engages in, making use of a protein and producing flowers. Choice C is incorrect because stating that the dodder plant and its host engage together in prediction, or the act of declaring or indicating something in advance, wouldn't make sense in context. Rather than indicating that the dodder plant and its host plant make a prediction about flowering activity, the text suggests that the host plant produces a protein as part of its regular flowering process, and that the dodder then absorbs and uses that protein to flower at the same time. Choice D is incorrect because referring to moderation, or the act of causing something to become less intense or extreme, wouldn't make sense in context. Although the text states that the dodder plant absorbs and uses a protein made by its host plant, it doesn't suggest that the dodder lessens the host plant's flowering activity. The two plants simply flower in unison.